Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita, and if you enjoy crafting, DIYs, and all things on a budget, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm bringing you a farmhouse DIY, and I was inspired by the crafting couple. I will link their channel below. They do some amazing things. Be sure to check them out. Also, please don't forget about the two collabs I have coming up this weekend. The first one is Thrift It to Gift It, and the second one is Valentine's Sweets and Treats. I will link the invite videos in the description box so you can check that out as well. So without further ado, let's get on to my DIY today. So today we'll make a farmhouse sign. I'll use this 8x10 canvas from Dollar Tree. I will be removing the canvas part and all the staples from the back. We'll also use 5 of the large paint stirrer sticks, as well as this burnt umber. I'll be watering that down to use it as a stain. I'll use this small screwdriver to start prying the staples up, and then I'm going to use some pliers to pull them out. So now we can remove the canvas and we're left with the wood frame. And save this for another project. And I'll be using the burnt umber. I'm going to take it and add a little water to it to make it like a stain. I'll be staining the frame of the canvas, and also after I cut these paint stirrer sticks down, I'll be staining those as well. I'm going to get measurements on these, so I will see where I need to cut them down. And I'm just using the little hand saw from Dollar Tree. These can be cut down with that if you don't have a power tool. As you can see, I've made several marks on this trying to get it exactly how I want it, but I ended up doing it the long ways, and I had to use 5 of the paint sticks because you can only get 1 cut out of each stick doing it that way. It would have been better to use a pencil on this in case you marked the wrong side. Luckily I did not, and I did use an ink pen, but going forward I would recommend a pencil. That way if you make marks in the wrong place and it's on the side that's showing, you can erase those. Now I'll go off camera and cut these down and be right back. Now I have these cut down and I've got them laid out like I want them, and this is what it will look like. And you see the marks that I made. If I had made those on the wrong side, they would have shown up even through the stain. So be sure to use a pencil. Now I'll just begin staining all the wood pieces with the burnt umber, which is mixed with some water, and I'm just using an old towel. And what you see here is just a wipe that I'm using to wipe off some of the stain when it got too dark. I will stain all sides, the back and the inside, and on the paint stirrer sticks I'm going to stain those front, back and sides as well, just to give it a more finished look. You can sit this. I'm going to hang it, but just in case you sit it somewhere, you want all the sides to be stained, even the back, in case you can see some of that. And here's how the frame looks once stained. Now we'll move on to the paint stirrer sticks. I'm so sorry, I thought I had hit record and I didn't, but I did just use hot glue around the tops of each stick, and then on the end ones, of course, I used it all the way down, and I did reinforce it on each side here with more hot glue. And this is what we have. I think it looks really good. The only thing I do not like is you can see those little slits up there. It's where the canvas has slits in it, and I couldn't get the stain down in there. I could probably use a Q-tip or something and take care of that, but I'll do that later. Of course, you could decorate this any way you want to. I've decided to use the welcome sign out of one of these packs, the Easter packs, and I'm going to use burnt umber and pewter gray just to distress that sign a little bit, and then I will be using super glue to hold it down. I just do not have luck using hot glue on these metal signs. I think it just dries too fast and I can't get it on there before it dries. I am using the super glue gel glue. You do get 3 packs. This was a bonus pack for $1 at Dollar Tree. So if you can find the 3-pack, pick it up. It's a good deal. So sorry about that. I have you off camera, but we'll be back in a second. And here is how it looks. I'm going to use a few more embellishments just to decorate it a little bit, and then I will add a hanger to the back and display it for you. To make this even more farmhouse, I decided to use a couple of the little cotton buds off of the cotton stem, and then I have a burlap flower that I picked up a pack of at Hobby Lobby quite a while back on clearance. And here are those little burlap flowers from Hobby Lobby. I believe I paid $1.47 and there were 6 in the pack. And I'm just going to hot glue that to the middle at the bottom. Next I'll be using this jute twine, and I'm going to make a hanger. I'm going to double this and kind of twist it together to make it a little thicker and hot glue it to the back. I do apologize for having you guys off camera for part of this video. I have no idea what was wrong with me today, but I thank you for bearing with me, and stay tuned for the display. And here it is, guys. I think it really turned out cute, and I'd like to make some more of these on a larger scale, so stay tuned. I'm sure I will be doing that shortly. I'd like to thank my subscribers for your continued support, and remember, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join my family. It's free. Please like, share, and comment. It helps my channel grow. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.